Welcome back to the Mad Video Lab. I'm Brad Jacobson, and tomorrow I have a shoot where I'm going to be going out into the ocean, shooting a couple surfers using the GoPro Hero. This is the 7. Well, one of the biggest problems we have when we're shooting in the ocean or in pools, things like that, water spots. Look it up. It's a horrible thing to have happen to you. You go out there, you get these great shots, boom, everything's wasted because you got water drops on the actual lens housing. Found this product, Clarifii. Some of you may or may not have used this already in the past. I'm gonna give it a try today. I'm gonna test it out before tomorrow to see if it works. There's always a licking of the housing thing that works sometimes doesn't. If I could find a solution that works every time, it'd be great. So we're gonna be following the directions straight off of Clarifii, what they're telling us to do. Step 1, clean the lens on the housing. Let's give it a nice one over. Make sure it's all clean. Got a lens cloth there. Boom. Looks pretty clean. We'll get off of the reflections. Next step, take the Clarifii, rub it onto the lens. All right. We're gonna go 2 drops. 2 drops sitting on there. All right, got the 2 drops, and now I'm gonna rub those 2 drops into the lens. If you can see that. What'll happen is that you gotta sit now for 2 minutes, let this thing dry off, kind of dehaze. Then we're gonna dunk it into some water, give it a test. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. I got a nice little haze over the lens. You do wanna have that little bit of a haze. I don't know if you can see it on there. That haze means that you're sticking onto the glass. So now it says to dip it into the water, pull it back out. All right, so I'm gonna start this camera. We are recording, just to let you know, I'm recording here. It's probably a little bit hazy right now because that little film I showed you going over there. Dip it into the water, boop. Bring it back out, shake it off a little bit. May not be where we want it to be right now because now it's just that straight dip. So as you're going to the ocean, going in the pool, dip it in the water, bring it back out. If all works out, when you go back into the ocean, drop it into the water. Okay, we're out there, see wave coming in. Boom, pull this thing out of the water. So here's the test. Are there water drops on the actual housing lens? Let's take a closer look for you guys. Looks pretty clean. This might actually be our solution. You know, that looks pretty good. Even on the back, I don't really see, it's hard to tell camera. But this looks pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a look at the footage. Hopefully this works. I wanna start this off by saying Clarifii did not give me this product. They're not sponsoring this video. I have nothing to do with them. I bought this on Amazon. But man, I am super happy with the results. That turned out really well. Everything looks super clear. There was no water drops on there. Totally gonna use it tomorrow in a real environment, actually in the ocean. I'll be posting my video from tomorrow on this channel pretty soon, so you'll be able to see how it worked actually in that environment, in salt water and not in tap water. Man, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Mad Video Lab for more videos just like this. Have a great day.